Hello everyone. Welcome to the new video.
Let's discuss the questions and answers of the chapter Rip Van Winkle. Question number 1. Write the exact word for these near the lower part of a mountain. So in the chapter, foothills is mentioned for this meaning. So answer will be foothills. Second, with grey hair. Grey hair, grizzled. Third, to rub gently. To rub gently means stroked. Fourth, to be very surprised, astonished. Fifth, known to you, which you know, familiar. Next question, say whether the following sentences are true or false. We have to say which one is true, which one is false as per story. Rip was kind to children. Of course, Rip was really kind to children. So, the answer will be true. Rip was a hard-working man. No, Rip was not at all a hard-working man. He was really lazy man. This was the only problem of Rip. So, this will be a false. C. The short old man on the mountain was his constant companion. No, it is again false because his constant companion was his dog named Wolf. Rip helped the old man on the mountains because he wanted to have a drink from the barrel. No, it is again wrong. Rip helped the old man on the mountains because he was a helping man. He was a kind man. He was interested to help everyone. Rip was away for 20 years because he was asleep on the mountains. True, he was actually sleeping there for 20 years. The drink from the barrel made him fall asleep for 20 years. Of course, it is again true. The drink from the barrel made him fall asleep for 20 years. Because of that drink, Rip was there for 20 years. G. Nobody recognized Rip when he came back because he had reached the wrong village. Of course, this is again false because nobody recognized Rip when he came back. It's because he was totally different. He was not at all looking the same. So nobody recognized him. So it is a false. Complete the following sentences. We have to complete these sentences as per story. Rip's village was situated dash. Answer. Rip's village was situated at the foothills of Catskill Mountains. The children of the village loved him because he played with them, told them stories and taught them to shoot marbles. Also to fly the kites. Dash was his constant companion. Of course, Wolf the dog was his constant companion. Fourth one, the villagers stared at him because they did not seem to know him. Fifth, the old woman who recognized Rip was dash. The old woman who recognized Rip was his neighbor. Question number 4. What were the strange things about the men? What was the strange thing about the men on the mountains? So there are some points. First point is the strange things were they all were dressed the same way. They all were wearing the same dress. All had beards of various shapes and colors. Isn't it different that everyone was having different beards, shapes and colors? They were serious even while playing games. When you play, you always smile, enjoy, shout. But they all were serious. They were very serious while playing game. They did not speak. See, if they are playing and they are sitting together or talk or anywhere we have a kind of group, we try to talk, we try to converse with each other. But it was a strange thing about those uh, short men that on the mountain they all were quiet. What kind of a man was Rip Van Winkle? See, Rip was a kind neighbor. He was a good-natured man. He liked to play with children, but he was a very lazy man. Okay, last one. Pick out the names of the games mentioned in the story. So the name of the games are flying kites, nine pins, shooting marbles, and mountain climbing. All these can be categorized in games. So, these were the question answers of the chapter.
Thanks for watching.